Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an easy elementary school math problem. So we have a 3x3 grid and then we have to put numbers in it. The number options are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have to put a number in each box so that every row, every column, and every diagonal equals 6. Now, what do we know about 6? We know 6 is an even number. And what type of numbers equal to an even number? We know 3 evens added together are even. We also know that 2 odds plus an even also equal even. So we do this step to limit our search space so we don't have to consider the 3 odds or the 2 even and 1 odd. So now we have this down, we can separate our groups. So we have our odds, which is -1, 1, 3, and 5. And the others, which are even, is -2, 0, 2, 4, and 6. So these are all of our categories. You know what I mean? So now we have this. What we need to find, like it's the most important, is the middle. We need to find what the middle number is to make our lives easy. So we know that this equals 6, this equals 6. We all know that. So then if we figure the middle number, then the middle number is used twice. As you can see, like this cross, it's like a plus sign. The middle number is used twice for each one. So 2x plus the rest equals 12. So we have the even numbers here. We can find the sum of the even numbers. So these two we know it's 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. And then 4 plus 6 is 10. So 2x plus 10 equals 12. So now we have that. Actually, no, it's just an x. Because this x is left out to make that number 12. So we have x plus 10 equals 12. X is the middle number. So at the end, we know that x equals 2. Now that we know x is 2, we can find the others. So we know that it can only have 2 odds. So it's not possible that we put 2 odds together here. Because then there's a higher risk of getting like an odd number. So since we have 4 odds, we can put them in 4 corners. Since the only options that there are if we put in 4 corners is all evens or 2 odds. So we put them in the corners, -1, 1, 3, and 5. We can already see that these and these all equal 6. So now we have this information, we can kind of figure out the rest. So we need to find 1 plus what plus 5 equals 6. So the middle is going to be 0. And it's obvious that the top is going to be 4. So at the end, we have 2 other numbers, and it doesn't really matter the order. No, wait, it actually does. So the 6 has to go here, since -1 and 1 add together is 0. So we need the 6 to be there. And the -2 is obviously there. So if we try adding them all together, they all equal 6. So let's review. So when we see these type of problem, we need to limit our search space. We need to find out what the middle number is by using a little bit of algebra over here. And at the end, put the puzzle together until everything clicks. Thank you for watching. Bye.